Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive Caringbah Sydney. I've got a Porsche Cayenne that I showed the actual power steering pump that I'm going to rebuild. So now I'm going to show you the pump in the car. Alright, there's the pump there. We torqued up the actual bolts. The pulley is 23 Newton meters and the bolt holding the actual pump is 25 Newton meters, and then these 10 mils there, the little 10 mil that holds the return line there, it's 10. That's 10 Newton meters. So 10, 25, and 23 for the pulley. Alright, now we got to fit it. I had it running already, so I'm looking for any oil leaks. There's no oil leaks whatsoever on this pump here. Nice and clean. Very hard to actually zoom in and see. Any leak there, nothing dripping down to the bottom. Okay, start up. So you can see there's no oil leak from the pump. All good now, so we're ready to assemble the whole car to get out of here. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Actually, I'm going to show the address on a piece of paper so you know which, if you want to send me your pump, and I can rebuild it for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Okay, that's our address there, EMD Automotive 3/20 Resolution Drive, Caringbah 2229, New South Wales, Australia, and the email is info@emdautomotive.com.au. So if you take your power steering pump off, take the power steering pump off and send it to me. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, Australia. Send it to me and I'll rebuild it and I'll send it back to you. Like I said, if I get it in the morning, I can finish it and post it back to you in the afternoon, and I'll probably use DHL or I'll use Express Post to make it quicker to get your car on the road. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.